Hi, my Noni. How are you? Are you good? Yeah? High five. High five, baby. High five. Come on. Fist bump. Stage fright. Come on, you were doing it before. Give me your paw, girl. Give me the paw. What you being like that for? Oh, you so cute. You so cute, Noni. You so beautiful. Yes, you are. You so beautiful. You smiling. You got allergies. Yeah. Everybody got allergies nowadays, huh? Yeah. Mommy girl. Mommy love you. Mommy emotional support animal right here too. Yeah. Baby girl. She's human. You lay like human. Yeah. She like laying on my stomach when I don't feel good. Oh, thank you, baby. I love you. Belly rubs? Want your belly rub? You gotta roll over. You gotta roll over. Hey, gotta roll over. No? Okay. Alright, baby. You're so pretty. You're beautiful. You came out so beautiful. You're 9 years old. 9 years old, baby. You older than mommy at this point. But it's okay. We grow old together, okay? We get each other through the old stage. Yeah. You a good girl. I just want you to see clearly, so I wipe the boogers out your eyes. Oops. How'd that happen? Mommy hand on it. What? What'd you find?